Hello everyone, and welcome to another education app review. Today I'm going to be walking you through a programming app called Move the Turtle. Move the Turtle is a basic, just kind of object-oriented programming language that students can use to understand programming logic. I love the app because it's very straightforward and easy to use with kids that are a little bit younger than the kids that I deal with on a day-to-day basis. What I'm going to go ahead and do in this review is just play through a couple of levels so that you can see what is going on. As you progress through, the students earn stars and trophies as they advance, and the turtle actually ages with them as they go through. I'm going to go ahead and start where I left off, which is on level 5 of the second unit. And what we're going to do is we're going to draw a triangle. So using the programming information and interface here on the side, I can go through and edit and rearrange some programs, or I can add new commands. So the first thing I usually do is just run the command. Okay. So what you're going to see is that I turned 120 degrees. Well, I don't really want to turn 120 degrees. So I'm going to change that location by hitting these arrows a little bit. And we're going to turn 30 degrees and we're going to move. And I'm going to move 50 and see what happens. Okay, so pretty close. I think I'm probably going to need to move about 100 in order to make this work fully. So we're going to up that to 100. We're going to add another turn. Okay, and we're going to turn that direction. Okay. And then we're going to add another move. We're going to move 100. And then we're going to add another turn. And let's see what happens. Oh, I turned too much. Okay. So we're going to try that again. And I'm going to show you what's going on. So I turned 30 degrees. The automatic turn is a full right turn, which we don't really want to have happen. So we're going to turn an additional 60 degrees and then move 100. So let's see what happens. Oh, not enough. So we're going to move an additional amount on the turn. Okay, so I can simply tick it up to 90. And we'll run that again. Close. I'm going to actually need to turn just a little bit further in order to get through. Great. So I've gone 30 and 120, which means I should have to go how far again? That's things that I use with my students. But it is a great way to interact with students and teach them the basics of programming, and then get them to understand how to play the game and what happens. Oh, I didn't turn far enough. Uh-oh. So this is a great app. I use it actually quite a bit in my class. I love getting the students to play the very simple programming and drawing games that come in Move the Turtle, but it teaches them the logical reasoning that I want them to have out of a programming class. So for students in lower grade levels, this is a great way to add simple commands and simple logic reasoning. There is a sandbox where students can program whatever they would like, but it is a very graphical user interface for the students to engage in programming. All in all, it's a great education app, and I would highly recommend using it if you teach programming to younger students or would like to introduce your children to programming as a concept. If you have any questions about this review, feel free to leave a comment on this video or visit me at victorfitzgerald.com, where you can see other videos in our series and other means of contacting me. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope to see you again in the future.